Let's try a few more basic moves in our game. To toggle between the project page and the seeing the scripts, you go see inside. Okay, so far we've got them both moving with keys. The ballerina's keys are kind of annoying, so I'm going to just wipe that whole lot and start again, and we'll get a whole different way of making the ballerina move. This time I'm just going to make her drive around the screen by herself. So I'm going to get when flag clicked forever, move 10 steps, but the problem with this is she's going to move 10 steps, then hit the edge and nothing happens. So we want her to bounce when she hits the edge. So forever move 10 steps and if on edge bounce, and she does that, which is all very well, but side to side is kind of boring. So let's tell her to turn at the start of the game. We'll get her to turn a random amount. So we could always just start it at turn 15 degrees, but let's have it, instead of always starting turning 15 degrees, let's chuck a random number in there. Pick random between 1 degree and what's a full turn? 360 degrees. Pick a random amount to turn each time we start the game. Now, oh nice. Okay, what other ways of movement are there? Oh, there is following the mouse. That's kind of fun. Let's get a new sprite. This one, I think I'll show you how to draw a sprite because that's always fun. This one's going to be a smiley face. Yours will be much better than mine, of course. Okay, there's my little smiley face. Oh, should I colour it in? Yeah, I suppose so. Oh, cute! Slightly too big. Let's just shrink that a wee bit. Shrink a bit more. It's kind of big still. Okay, now back to its. So that's its costumes. Sidetrack. I just want to show you how to give it 2 costumes. Duplicate. Now it's got 2 costumes, and the second costume I'm going to make into a sad face. Let's just see if I can do it by drawing over the top. Oh, paintbrush. So my, oh no, that's not going to work. Come on. Oh, okay, yeah, that's kind of working. It's a bit of a silly way of doing it. I'm sure you can use the drawing tools to come up with something better. Oh my goodness, my mouse disappears halfway through. That doesn't help. Anyway, this is now a very badly drawn sad face. Okay, so it's going to start the game on its smiley face costume. Oh, check the name. Costume 1 is smiley, costume 2, oh, let's just call it happy and sad. Okay, so its costumes are named at the start of the game. What? It's when flag clicked, it's going to looks, switch costume to happy. So when I start the game, it's going to be happy. And back to what we're trying to do, which is movement. So forever, it's going to follow the mouse. So forever, point towards mouse pointer and move. Let's try it with 10 steps, see how fast that goes. Oh yeah, that'll do. Oh, I want to slow it down a bit, else the game's going to be too easy. So say I'm going to try and make it catch the ballerina by driving it, or avoid the ballerina. If the ballerina gets it, it's going to be a sad face. 2 is slightly too slow. Let's try 5 steps so it's not too slow. Okay, I don't want it to fly upside down. Info, side to side only. Okay, and I'm going to make it avoid the ballerina. So now I need a if thingamywhatsit script. Okay, so if sensing, so I'm going to make it if it's touching, and that goes in that little diamond shaped box. If touching ballerina, then it's going to change, switch costume to sad face, and I think it goes in there. I'd better just test that because I don't really know. Okay, it's happy, touch. Oh, it goes sad face when it touches the ballerina, and that's the end of the game so far, but that is probably enough for you to play with. Give it a whirl. Don't forget to save.